In this video, I'm going to show you how to view feedback from other users, how to invite colleagues to use our EP platform, and how to view EP from a student's perspective.
By clicking on Teacher Community, you can see local schools' comments about their experience with Education Perfect. You can comment yourself, and this helps you to gain points towards your teacher certification. If you have a friend or colleague who would like to look at EP, use the Invited Teacher function. Simply type in their details, send them a personal message, and an EP expert will get in touch. Some teachers may teach across different schools. Click on the button that says Switch Schools, and it will allow you to jump between the schools that you have been approved to teach at. Click on the Student Zone. Being familiar with the Student Zone means that if your students have any questions about EP, you can answer them confidently.
Students are able to access any of the subjects that your school is licensed for. This is great for when students finish their work early, or you can dedicate EP Explore time. This is great to help students nourish and discover their passions.
This is the student dashboard. Students can access subjects of their choice at the top here. The home screen is an overview for your students and will highlight what tasks are yet to be completed and any competitions that are coming up. Just below that, we have the student scoreboard. From here, they can send cheers to their fellow classmates. Students earn credits by completing work and playing Dash, and can then spend these credits on sending a range of stickers to their peers. Under the Tasks and Assessments tab, this little red dot indicates to your student that there is a task or assessment coming up or due. These will be listed in chronological order to help your students learn the importance of prioritising work based on due dates and priorities. Your students can access all tasks and assessments assigned to them via this tab. Under the Competitions tab, students will have access to view upcoming competitions or participate in current competitions. As the teacher, you can also custom create competitions for your students to participate in. Students can also access their previously completed work via the Learning Record tab. This is a log of the work your students have completed on EP in the past. They can use it to find previous work and to pick up where they left off. Similar to the teacher dashboard, students can click on their initials to personalise their EP profile by changing their avatar, background, their email and password. Students can also turn off question timers for themselves. This is great for students who might feel pressured by seeing a ticking clock, and if students can identify that, then they can choose to disable this feature. You can return to the Teacher Zone by clicking up here on Return to Teacher Zone.
Thanks for watching part 2 of our basic navigation tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.